to show you how to play together on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. For this song, the chords you'll need are C, open 3-2, open 3-3, G, 3-2, open 3-3, G over F sharp, 2, open 3-3, E minor, open 2-2, open 3-3. So C, G, that one, E minor. The verses go. The only thing different about the verses and the choruses is that you don't play that walk down F sharp. So the choruses just go G, E to C. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.